We love peptides because they reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve skin tone and texture. And I don't know about you, but the older I get, the more I love and appreciating having smooth, radiant, and firm skin. I like to refer to our Biopeptide Revitalizing Serum as Photoshop in a bottle. How do peptides work? Collagen is a protein in the skin that keeps the skin firm, strong, and supple. As we age, collagen production decreases and we notice enlargement of pores, wrinkles, fine lines, and skin thinning. Collagen is a protein that is made up of long-chain amino acids. When collagen breaks down in the skin, it gets broken down into its short-chain relatives, amino acids or peptides. In this way, the peptide then becomes a notification to the body that it needs to produce more collagen to repair the damage. We trick the body by applying peptides topically to the skin. Peptides in skincare have also been shown to have antioxidant properties that aid in skin healing and protect from UV damage. In addition to restoration benefits of peptides, they also may assist in release of hyaluronic acid in the skin for hydration. Add a peptide serum to your skincare routine twice a day for a noticeable improvement in the appearance of fine lines, pores, and anti-aging benefits. Serums offer a higher concentration of peptides than moisturizers, so choose a serum for best results. I love our Biopeptide Revitalizing Serum. It is one of the best sellers, and my patients love the results. Give your skin some love, nourish it with the right ingredients, and you will love the results.